Talk slower because I cannot understand you.
Oh, sorry.
Frankly, you're a lawyer?
Yes, Mr. President. I will talk slower.
Panyero, you talk slower.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr.
Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi naiintindihan. You are slurring your words.
Enemy savage!
Mr.
I would follow, if that answered the question that you're answering, then maybe I could hear you right. Ganon ang dating sa akin.
You assumed you presented to the media a drug matrix which held all of the HVTs that you had.
Correct, but sabi ko, what particular case? You cannot make a general statement and ask me a general answer.